How my favorite subscribers doing? Let's do a car audio 101 question. How about Max Fritsch? Because the sensitivity is 88 decibels, does that mean it won't get as loud as one with a sensitivity of 92 decibels? Yes and no. Sensitivity is most easily defined as a speaker's ability to convert power to sound, or how effectively a speaker converts power, watts, into sound, decibels. Sensitivity isn't necessarily used to measure loudness, it's more used to measure the efficiency of the speaker. And yes, the higher the number, the better, so 92 decibels or higher is ideal. But try to remember and be able to differentiate that sensitivity doesn't mean quality, and a low sensitivity doesn't mean it's a bad speaker. It's just less efficient. There are plenty of high-end pro speakers that have a very low sensitivity around the 84 decibel range because they require a lot of power. So it has nothing against the quality of the speaker, it's all about efficiency. But if you're just rocking a simple system with a low-powered amplifier, it's a really good spec to go by. And in this instance, efficiency is the amount of power going into the speaker being converted into sound. Sensitivity is measured from the amount of sound output from the speaker, with 1 watt of power input from an amplifier. It's about how high the volume on your amplifier needs to be to make your speakers work at their best. The higher sensitivity of the speaker, the louder it will play with a certain amount of wattage as opposed to a low sensitivity speaker. So for a speaker with a sensitivity, let's say 82 decibels, the higher the wattage and louder you go, the harder it is for that speaker to keep up with, say, a speaker that has a sensitivity of 92 decibels. Highly sensitive speakers require less power to drive. A sensitivity measurement of about 88 decibels is about average. Anything below 84 dB is considered low sensitivity. And again, it's all about efficiency and how much power you need for your speaker to perform its best.